Today I show you a headset microphone I got really cheap, and I will not use the microphone capsule itself, but I will use the headset itself, the shape of it. So I upgrade a little bit the headset I use now. So that's the headset I use now. This is the Primo EM172. It's a lavalier microphone custom made, and this thing. Okay, let's see what's inside the bag here. Let's see what's in the bag. Okay, so nothing else in the bag. And this is the headset. It was very cheap. It was like €1.50 or €2. €2, I think. 3.5 plug guide lecture speech headset microphone, head mounted, headwear microphone, voice amplifier, lightweight overhead for teachers. Color is black. It's one piece there. And manufacturer, that's the manufacturer. It's a contact. I don't think it's really the manufacturer, it's probably the reseller. And probably this is a tag of the manufacturer right there. Let's see what quality this thing is like. Oh. Wow. Okay. So it's very basic. It's just a wire like this. I thought it would have some padding here on this side, but it doesn't. There is the padding here. It's a bit of a soft foam, so I like that. And then there is this gooseneck, which is very nice, very flexible, but at the same time sturdy. You put it in one place, it stays there. Exactly what I wanted. And then there is this kind of wind protection, but not much. And this can be removed, I hope. Yeah. And the microphone is mounted like this, sideways. Yeah, the capsule is in there. I don't know if I can open it to see what's in there. Okay, before I open it, I'll try to actually use it. I like the wire on it. It's very soft. It's fabric style. I'm sure it doesn't sound that good. I will try it on the camera now, or on the recorder. Okay. So this is soft textile, and I will put it on my head and try to use it, see how it sounds like. I will not use this cable and with the capsule itself, but I will use the frame, the whole thing as it is. I'll try it now. Okay, so now I have the recorder here, and I'll pause the recording for a moment. It's only one. Okay, testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. I can barely see anything. That's it. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. Increasing the volume to 20. Testing 1 2. Now it's at 22. So it should be like this. Okay, this is the headset microphone, and it's basically, I'm tapping it, and it's only on the left side there because the plug is only on one side. So I made the volume 25 now. So I'm talking, this is volume 25, and I'm doing this, let's say 23. I'm doing this so that the recording stays around minus 12 dB, like that. So it's a similar style to the previous one. This is the microphone, custom built microphone, Primo EM172 build, and even with Nutri connector and Mogami cable, all that great. This is the AliExpress. I'm trying to use the touchscreen on this thing. Okay, this is the AliExpress one, and you can see it's showing there, but I don't know the quality of the sound, how it's gonna be like. I guess you will hear it soon. So I'm gonna switch now back to the actual headset microphone. The thing does feel comfortable, so after I change the capsule, after I move the capsule to this headset, the Primo, it should sound the same. It will sound the same. So I'll try now. Let's see now. I'll plug. This is the sound from the camera you see here now, and choosing the same manual. Okay, volume is 23 now. Should be a bit lower. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. I have to lower it. I have to keep lowering it until it stays around minus 12 dB. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2, like this. Testing 1 2. So this is how this one will sound like. This is how this headset will sound like after I change the capsule. That was the whole point of changing it. That was the whole point of buying this, to change the capsule. I'll do that in a future video. But it's pretty nice. I guess you could use it like this if you really needed to, but probably it's better to choose a decent style microphone. This is gonna probably sound pretty bad. I wish I would be surprised. You heard it already. I didn't hear it yet. I don't know how it sounds like, but you write in the comments below if you think this headset, the capsule itself, the included capsule, if that sounds bad or if it sounds usable, decent. We'll see. I like that it's made like this with this a bit of foam padding. I wish it had a bit of foam padding on this side also. This goes over the head and that goes in front of you when you can talk to it. This thing I will probably not use it, but I could use it, I guess, if I wanted to. And I just want to see, I actually want to see how this thing looks like, because I will have to remove it anyway. So I'll get the opening tool. It's probably from the back here. So let's try like that. Oh, I think this will pop out pretty easily. It's just a lid. I hope I don't break it though. Okay, so it came out. And this is the microphone capsule inside there. It looks like the usual regular capsule, nothing special about it, but it doesn't have to be. It's a really cheap microphone, so it doesn't need to be anything fancy there about it. Looks pretty decently sized, so that's interesting. And the wire goes through this gooseneck. So yeah, I might have to cut this wire from here. Okay, I'll do that in a future video. So far, I'll put it back like that, how it was, with the lid back on. Hope I didn't catch the wire. Okay. Okay. I think it's okay now. So yeah, I will try to convert this to a higher quality microphone for the headset like that. The wire could be useful, but I'm not sure. Yeah. Thanks for watching.